Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you've been following my hydroponic journey, you know I've always have a hard time transplanting everything and doing different things, so I figured I'd buy myself a little kit that would make a few things easier. So I got this, which is a glass, here, I'll take all the pieces out and I'll tell you, what do you call it? Like a turkey baster, I guess. But here we go. So you can put it in here. And so basically it just gives you like a turkey baster. So that's pretty cool. So it comes with that. It comes with two sets of tweezers that are nice metal tweezers and nice long ones, so I can pick up my Rockwell cubes and put them in there, so I can do them straight and I can do them curved. So how cool is that? Cute little set, very nice. So I'm gonna bring these into the office and put them up with my stuff here and move it over shortly. So very cool. So I like the little ball. But thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.